What's up guys, and welcome back to World 5 Best. In this video, we're going to show you the top 5 cameras for YouTube in 2023. These cameras are the best of the best, and we've chosen them based on our research and analysis. You can find the links to each product in the description below. By the way, as an Amazon associate we earn from qualifying purchases, and if you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Number 5. DJI Pocket 2. The DJI Pocket 2 is a small and lightweight camera that fits in your pocket. It has a 3-axis gimbal that stabilizes your videos and photos, and a 64MP sensor that captures high-resolution images. It also has many features such as panorama, time-lapse, story mode, AI editor, and more. The DJI Pocket 2 can record video up to 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, and take photos up to 16MP in JPEG or RAW format. It also supports HDR video and photo modes, which can enhance the dynamic range and colors of your footage. The sound quality is also impressive, thanks to the 4 microphones that can record stereo sound and reduce noise. You can also use the wireless mic that comes with the Creator Combo package for better audio recording. The DJI Pocket 2 has a touch screen that lets you control the camera settings and modes. You can also use the DJI Mimo app on your smartphone to connect to the camera via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and access more features such as live streaming, editing, and sharing. The battery life is decent, lasting up to 140 minutes of continuous shooting in 1080p at 24 frames per second. Overall, we think the DJI Pocket 2 is a great device for vlogging, traveling, or just having fun with your friends and family. It is easy to use, versatile, and delivers amazing results. Number 4. Sony Alpha 7S III. The Sony Alpha 7S III has a 12.1 megapixel back-illuminated XMR CMOS sensor that delivers high sensitivity, wide dynamic range, and fast readout speed. It also has a new Bionz XR processing engine that supports 4K 120p video recording, 10-bit 4:2:2 color depth, and 16-bit RAW video output. The camera also features a fast hybrid autofocus system with 759 phase detection points, a body-integrated 5-axis optical image stabilization, and a redesigned user interface. The Sony Alpha 7S III is designed for visual trailblazers who want to capture stunning images and movies in any situation. The Sony Alpha 7S III is especially suited for videographers who need high-quality 4K footage in challenging lighting conditions. It has a class-leading low-light video performance, a full-sized HDMI port and dual card slots, and no overheating issues. It also has a fully articulating touchscreen and a new touch UI that makes it easy to adjust settings and control the camera. The Sony Alpha 7S III also has excellent autofocus and image stabilization that ensure smooth and sharp results. However, the Sony Alpha 7S III may not be the best choice for stills photographers who want higher resolution or more megapixels. It also does not offer 6K or 8K video recording options, and it has a limited lens selection for video. The Sony Alpha 7S III is one of the best cameras in its class, but it also comes with a premium price tag. Number 3. Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 is a small and lightweight camera that you can easily carry around and use in different situations. It has a large 1.0 type XMR CMOS image sensor, a Bionz X image processing engine, a 4K movie recording, a directional 3-capsule mic with windscreen, and a vari-angle LCD screen. These features allow you to capture high-quality videos and photos with excellent detail, color, sound, and flexibility. One of the things that make this camera ideal for vloggers is its soft skin effect, which smooths out your skin tone and reduces blemishes. You can also use the background defocus function to create a professional-looking background blur with just one button. Another feature that we love is the product showcase setting, which lets you highlight the products you are showing by switching the focus from your face to the object quickly. And of course, there is the face priority auto exposure, which adjusts the exposure automatically according to your face, so you don't have to worry about changing lighting conditions. The Sony ZV-1 comes in black and white colors, and you can also get some optional accessories such as a shooting grip, a wireless microphone, or an external flash. These accessories can help you to improve your shooting experience and expand your creative possibilities. The Sony ZV-1 has received positive reviews from many sources, praising its video quality, autofocus performance, audio capabilities, and user-friendly design. Some of the drawbacks that have been mentioned are its average video stabilization, limited touchscreen functionality, and micro USB rather than USB-C port. Overall, we think that the Sony ZV-1 is a great camera for vloggers and content creators who want to make amazing videos and photos with ease and convenience. It has some features that are specially designed for this purpose, and it delivers high-quality results. Number 2. GoPro Hero 11 Black. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is a powerful and versatile camera that can capture stunning videos and photos in various modes and settings. It has a new 1/1.9-inch sensor with an 8:7 aspect ratio, which allows you to shoot videos in different formats, such as 9:16 for TikTok and Instagram, without losing any quality or resolution. It also supports 10-bit color, which gives you more color gradations and dynamic range, making it easier to edit and color grade your footage. The camera can record up to 5.3K 60 or 4K 120 video resolution, with hypersmooth 5.0 stabilization and horizon lock or leveling, which keep your videos smooth and steady even when the camera is tilted or rotated. You can also shoot slow-motion videos up to 2.7K 240 or 1080p 480. The camera can take high-resolution photos up to 27 megapixels, with options such as Super Photo, HDR, Night Effects, Live Burst, and more. The camera has dual LCD screens, a front one for framing and a rear one for playback and settings. The touch interface is responsive and easy to use, with new Easy and Pro modes that simplify or customize your options. The camera is waterproof up to 33 feet and durable, so you can use it in various environments and conditions. It also has voice control, GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C connectivity. The camera works seamlessly with the GoPro app and Quick app, which let you control the camera remotely, transfer and edit your files, share your content online, and access cloud storage and other features with a GoPro subscription. The camera comes with a new Enduro battery, which lasts longer than the previous models and supports fast charging. You can also buy various accessories and mods to enhance your camera's performance and functionality. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 11 Black is an amazing action camera that offers unparalleled video quality, stabilization, color accuracy, and flexibility. It is the best action camera on the market right now, and we highly recommend it for anyone who wants to capture their adventures, hobbies, sports, and more in stunning detail. Number 1. Panasonic LUMIX GH6. The Panasonic LUMIX GH6 is the successor of the popular GH5 and GH5 II, and it brings some major improvements and features to the table. One of them is the new 25.2 megapixel live MOS sensor, which can capture stunning 5.7K video at up to 60 frames per second, 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, and 10-bit 4:2:2C 4K/4K video at up to 60 frames per second. It also supports internal recording in Apple ProRes codec, which is widely used in professional video production. Another feature that you will appreciate is the powerful 5-axis dual IS-2 stabilization system, which can compensate for up to 7.5 stops of camera shake, making it ideal for handheld shooting in various situations. You can also use the full-size Type A HDMI port to output 4K/120p video with live view, or the USB-C port to record directly to an external SSD drive. And if you need more storage options, you can use the dual memory card slots for CFexpress card and SD memory card. A third feature that you will love is the range of advanced video features and creative modes that the LUMIX GH6 offers. You can shoot in full Vlog/VGamut mode, which gives you more flexibility in post-production. You can also use the anamorphic mode, waveform monitor, vector scope, LUT display, time code, and more. And if you want to have some fun, you can try the 6K/4K photo mode, post-focus mode, focus stacking mode, and more. The Panasonic LUMIX GH6 is not only a great video camera, but also a great stills camera. It has an improved contrast-based autofocus system that uses deep learning technology to recognize human faces, eyes, heads, bodies, and animals. It also has a tilt and swivel LCD monitor that can be adjusted to any angle, and a high-resolution OLED viewfinder that offers a clear and comfortable view. And of course, it has a robust and weather-sealed body that can withstand harsh environments. So what do we think of the Panasonic LUMIX GH6? Well, we think it is an amazing camera that can handle any project you throw at it. It has a huge range of video options and formats, unlimited recording times with built-in fan cooling, excellent image quality and dynamic range, great handling and ergonomics, multi-angle tilt and swivel screen, excellent image stabilization, and more. The only drawbacks we can think of are the autofocus still lags behind the best hybrid systems. It is larger and heavier than GH5 II, and some features are not available until firmware update. But overall, we think the Panasonic LUMIX GH6 is a fantastic camera that deserves your attention. If you are looking for a hybrid mirrorless camera that can do it all, you should definitely check out the Panasonic LUMIX GH6. That's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. And if you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. We have a lot of awesome content coming up, so don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.